Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how you can allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn pages. This is a helpful feature if you want businesses to notice your interest, whether you're networking, exploring job opportunities, or building professional relationships. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can turn it on easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap it. This will open up your account menu and settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. From there, head over to the Visibility section. Visibility is where you control what others can and cannot see about your activity on LinkedIn. Inside Visibility, there's an option called Profile Viewing. Tap on that, and you'll find several settings that manage how your presence appears when browsing LinkedIn. Now look for the option labeled Page Visit Visibility. This is the specific setting that determines whether organizations know when you've stopped by their official page on LinkedIn. Once you're inside, you'll see a toggle switch for Allow Organizations. By default, this option might be turned off, which means companies don't know you've visited. Simply switch it on, and from that point forward, organizations will see when you've checked out their page. Turning this on can be a subtle but effective way to signal interest. For example, if you're researching a company you'd like to work with, they may notice your visit and recognize your curiosity. It's one more way to stand out and open the door to new opportunities. And just like that, you're done. To recap, open the app, tap your profile picture, head into Settings, go to Visibility. Select Profile Viewing, open Page Visit Visibility, and toggle Allow Organizations on. With this setting enabled, your professional presence becomes a little more noticeable, which can make meaningful networking even easier. Thanks for watching.